And listen to the music of rain.
Yes, listens to the music of the rain. What is the meaning of melancholy?
Sadness.
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 Melancholy means sorrow.
Sad.
Sorrow,
Sadness.
sorrow and sadness means the same. Sorrow, sadness, it means same. Then what? Whose memory comes distinctly in the poet's mind?
Poet's
About
mother.
his mother.
Mother's
Mother.
memory.
Mother.
Mother.
About his mother.
Anushka, answer. Whose memory comes? Whose memory comes, Anushka? Hello,
About his mother.
Ma'am, can I?
Shreyasi, you want to answer? Okay, Shreyasi, answer. Hello.
Ma'am, his mother's memory come to the poet's mind.
Yes, mother's memory comes to the poet's mind. Who are the darling dreamers?
His siblings.
Poets.
Brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters.
Darling
Siblings.
siblings. And what does mother do before going to bed every night?
She comes into the room of
She comes to the poet rooms.
What's the meaning of dawn?
middle
Early morning.
Early morning.
Subah.
Yes, early
Before
morning.
sunrise.
Yes, early morning before sunrise. Like 6 o'clock is morning, but 5 o'clock is dawn. Up just early morning before sunrise. You know the meaning of dusk?
Yes, ma'am.
night.
Late night.
No, dusk.
Ma'am,
Between-
dusk.
Dusk is the time between evening and night. Dawn and dusk. Morning between night and dawn, between night and morning. And dusk is the evening time before it gets dark. Dawn and dusk. Okay. So, now we will do some grammar. Tense is there. You have revised tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here there are some words. You have to fill the correct form of the verbs. Read the following paragraph and fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. The wedding procession was yet dash start. It dash
Started.
To start.
Started.
Started.
yet
Started.
no
Started.
not started.
Started.
Was yet अभी start नहीं हुआ था.
To start.
Yes, very good. The wedding procession was yet to start. It dash for us to reach.
Had been waiting.
Yes, very good. Had been waiting. We
Had decided.
only few students are answering. Dhruv
Ma'am,
Pandey.
you have stopped your screen sharing.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Dhruv Pandey, Mahima, many of them are there who don't participate at all. Why?
मैम मैं लिख कर भेज रहा हूँ.
हाँ तुम लिख कर भेज रहे हो. अच्छा, okay.
यस मैम, नॉइज हो रहा है इसलिए.
Okay, you can write and send the answer on chat. I will see. Okay, we have. What is the correct answer?
We had
Ma'am,
not
we have decided.
decided
The answer.
We have.
Decided
not to dance.
We had
We had
decided.
not to dance.
At all.
Okay, we had decided. Everyone is answering together. Yes, it is. But in the end, I clarify the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can send your answers on chat. That is better, isn't it? And
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Aditya Raj reached. We had decided not to. So in the C, the answer is had decided.
To dance. To dance. Not to dance.
To dancing is not correct. With two, one thing, you know, with two, you always use the V1.
Ma'am,
Dance.
to dance at
Always
all.
use V1 with two. This you have to remember. Just as you don't use the past with did, you never use the ing or any form with. Always use V1 with two. This you have to remember. So, decided not to dance.
Not to dance.
Yes, to dance.
Not to dance.
Ma'am,
Ayush Kumar answer is correct. Pragya answer is correct. फिर और किसने भेजा है? Shreyasi answer is Anuj Sharan answer is correct. Then Aniket also your answer is correct. Not to dance. Priyanshu Raj, yes, correct answer. Nishu Nayan also answer is correct. Nirbhay also answer is correct. Yes. Many of you have given the correct answer. Yes, good. To dance. To dance. Okay. But when we
Reached.
yes,
Reached.
yes, when we reached.
Ma'am, reached.
Okay. Anuj Sharan, correct answer. Priyanshu, correct answer. Aniket, correct answer. Advit also. Oh, Advit, to reached. You have written. To reached is not correct. Only reached.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have written reached, not to reach.
Oh, okay. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. Shreyasi, Kishan Kumar, Nirbhay, Dhruv Pandey, Anushka. Yes, many of you have given the correct answers. When we reached the scene, the answer, because in chorus it's very difficult to understand. So you can, this is correct. You can write the answers and send it. But when we reach the scene, we dash into it.
Ma'am, drew.
No.
Ma'am,
We
drew.
were dawn. We were dawn.
Ma'am, drew.
Yes. Who said we were drawn? Correct answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, correct. Drew is not correct answer. Yes, Advit, your answer is correct. Shreyasi, your answer is correct. Priyanshu Raj, your answer is correct. Jia, your answer is correct. Jia,
What is the correct answer?
yes, were drawn. Correct answer is were drawn. We were drawn into it. But when we reached the scene, we were drawn into it. So you can use the passive form of the verb. Passive form.
Ma'am,
Passive form can be used. Were drawn. Correct answer is were drawn. Many of you have given the correct answer. Kishan Kumar, Aditya Raj, correct answer. Ayush Kumar also correct answer. No, Nirbhay, you missed the word. We were drawn. Okay. Then we'll move to the next. The wedding procession already. You can write your
had
answer.
started.
Yes, Advit, the answer is correct. Advit. correct answer is the wedding procession already had started. I told you when teaching past perfect, when two actions happened in the past, for earlier action, what you use? Past perfect. So, like you reached and the wedding had started earlier. So, which action is taking place earlier? The wedding started earlier, you reached later. So, you have to use when two actions are given in the past, you have to use the past perfect for the earlier action. The wedding procession already had started. Then, when we dash Mohan's house, what will be the correct answer? Yes, Advait answer is
Reached.
correct. Pragya answer is correct. Nirbhay, your answer is correct. Kishan, yes, many of you have given the correct answer. Ayush Mehra also correct answer. Neha also correct answer. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. Good. When we reach Anuj Sharan, reached, no, not reached at, reached simply. You don't have to add the preposition. Through Neha Sinha also correct answer. Ayush Kumar correct answer. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. When we reached. When we reached Mohan's house, while we dash on the way to the,
Were. We were.
yes, Pragya correct answer. Dhruv, Ayush, Aditya Raj, Rishu Kumar, Bhavya correct answer. Yes, while we were. I told you the different forms of be. Is, am, are, was, were. All are the different forms of be. So whenever you have be in the bracket, you may have any form. Is, am, are, was, were. All are the forms of be. While we were on the way to the palace, we,
Ma'am, we decided.
hmm,
We decided.
write your answer.
Ma'am, decided.
We, right. Uh,
Ma'am, had decided होगा.
Advait, your answer is correct. Shreyasi, also your answer is correct. Advait, Shreyasi, Jia Chauhan answer is correct. Yes. Yes, had decided. We had decided not to dance at all. While we were on the way to the place, we had decided. Yes, many of you gave the correct answer. We had decided not to dance at all, but the scene dash so attractive. Yes,
Proved to be.
with Advait correct answer. Proved to be. And send your answers. Aditya Raj also correct answer. You Bhavya correct answer. Bhavya also answer is correct. You don't have to add to be. Simply if you write proved also the answer is correct. But the scene proved to so attractive. No need to write to be. Proved is the correct answer. Proved so, but the scene proved so attractive. Similar to the that we. Then last one. No, Dhruv answer is not correct.
Drawn. Ma'am, we drawn.
No, you missed some word in between. Yes, who wrote? Shreyasi, your answer is correct. Shreyasi has given the correct answer. Priyanshu has also given the correct answer.
Ma'am, were drawn.
Yes, we were.
Ma'am, were drawn.
Yes, Priyanshu and Shreyasi gave the correct answer. We were drawn. Yes.
मैम हम भी वही दिए हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है, मिस हो गया.
मैम लिखने में गड़बड़ी हो गया था.
अच्छा, okay. Okay, we were drawn into it. Then again, we move to the next one. The shot wounded the elephant. It dashed back into the forest.
Rust.
Right, your Advait answer is correct. Anushka answer is correct. Priyanshu, Dhruv. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. Ayush Kumar, Kishan Kumar, Avinash also answer is correct. Avinash, Kishan Kumar. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. It rushed back into the forest. Then I dash after it. Write your answers and send.
Ran.
Advit answer is correct. Priyanshu, Jia, Dhruv Pandey, Ananya also correct answer. Shreyasi correct answer. Yes, many of you have given the correct answer. I ran after it. Yes.
मैं भी लिख रही हूँ
क्या?
मैं भी लिख रही हूँ आंसर
Yes, it's not possible for me to read out all the names, but a few names. Okay, मैं भी कौन बताओ नाम?
मैं निशु
Nishu, okay, Nishu, okay, your answer is correct, Nishu. Yes, your answer is also correct. Nishu Nayan. Yes, I ran
Yes, ma'am.
after it. Yes, Nishu Nayan, your answer is correct. I ran after it, but dash not
Could.
at it.
Could not catch it.
Not is already given, so only could.
Could.
Yes, what is the past tense of can? Past tense of can
Could.
is could.
Could.
Could not catch it. I write
I
your
have lose
write your answers and send. I'll send.
I lost
Lost.
Nishu Nayan.
I have
spelling.
lost
Some of you are writing the correct spelling. LOSCD. You don't have LOSCD.
Lost.
Not the correct spelling.
LOST.
LOSCD is not the correct spelling.
LOST
LOST is the correct spelling. It is the correct spelling. LOST. But could not catch. I lost it in the dark. I lost it in the dark and write your answers. Dhruv Pandey answer is correct. Avinash answer is correct. Aniket answer is correct. Pragya,
Return.
Rishu also correct answer. Jia Chauhan correct answer. Nishu Nayan correct answer. Ayush Kumar also answer is correct. Ayush Mehra also answer is correct. Kishan, yes, very many of you have given the correct answers. Very good. And returned, yes. Returned empty-handed. I dash disappointed.
Was disappointed.
Ananya,
I was
Pragya,
disappointed.
Was
Ananya answer
disappointed.
is correct. Avinash, Ananya answer is correct. Pragya answer is correct. Jia also. Aniket, Anuj Sharan, yes, many of you have given the correct answer. I was disappointed. I told you you can use the passive form. Now we'll do some different kinds of exercises. I will give you some sentences and you have to write the interrogative and negative form. While teaching tense, I gave you the structures of all the tenses. Have you noted down all the structures in your copy? All of
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tense is the backbone of language. You understand backbone? You have studied in your science.
Yes, ma'am. Backbone.
It is the base. So you have to master tense in order to be able to write correct English. It's very important. Now I will give you some sentences. You have to write the interrogative and negative form. Interrogative. You can write your answers and send. I will see it. For interrogative, you can write the word I, and for negative, N.
हम आंसर दें?
हाँ तो
Ma'am, she did not go to
लिख
temple.
के भेजो ना. You write and you, because it's not audible in
मैम
chorus.
उतना बड़ा बड़ा
हाँ उतना लिखने में. अच्छा
मैम
तो
किसी का नाम नहीं तो मैम बोल दीजिए.
Okay. Yes, I can see some of Advit. Did she go to the temple? She did. Yes, Advit answer is correct. Ananya. Yes. Yes, Nirbhay also answer is correct, but you have written only negative. Shreyasi also answer is correct. You have to write both negative and Advit has written both. Yes. Advit, your answer is correct. Both negative and interrogative you have written. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, yes. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is she did not go to the temple. Negative is the sentence in which you use no or not. Huh? So what is the correct answer? She did not go to the temple, and I already told you that when you are using the word did, you always have to use which form? With did, which form of the verb you always use? Hello? Tell me, anyone?
Past indefinite. Past indefinite.
Past indefinite मैम.
With did के साथ कौन सा verb form use करता है? That
Ma'am, V1, verb 1.
that is
V1.
V1.
Yes, always you use V1. So what will be the correct answer? She did not go to the temple. Many of you write went. This is wrong. Is it clear to all of you? Don't make this mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Did not always use the V1. Don't write past. You use did not, that has made the sentence past. Go to the temple. So always remember, when you are changing a sentence in the past tense, use did not plus V1. And this is the negative N. And she did not go to the temple. Did she? Did she go to the temple? This is interrogative. This is interrogative. Then, okay, now you send the answers for the second one. I like.
हम भेज दिए.
कौन भेजा?
मैम आदित्य.
मैंने. Okay, Nirbhay has sent.
आदित्य.
No,
Ma'am,
Nirbhay, your answer is not correct.
मैम आदित्य.
Ma'am, Advit.
Anushka, your answer is correct. Anushka answer is correct. Nirbhay answer is not correct. Aditya Raj answer is correct. Ayush Mehra answer is correct. Then Aditya Raj answer is not correct. So some of you are using can. You don't have to use can. What do you use in present?
Mama, I have sent too.
You just have to remember a few things and then you'll master tense. Whenever you have simple past, use did. Whenever you have simple present, you use do or does. Simple past, use did. Simple present, use do or does. Here it is simple present. So you'll use do does in making negative interrogative. And here, which tense? First sentence, what was the tense? Went, simple past, isn't it? So what you'll use? Did. So only these two things you have to remember.
I do like ice cream. I do like ice cream.
I don't like ice cream.
I don't
Negative
like ice
बनाना
cream.
है ना? If do like like means it is positive. You have to make the negative. So you just have to remember these two things and you can do it very easily. Suppose you know to find out the tense of the sentence. All of you know how to find out the tense? A sentence is in which tense? That you know how to find out? You have already written the structure?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not
Yes.
answering.
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to, so the first sentence, it is in the simple past. So what you will use? In simple past,
Do
always
does.
you use did.
Did.
Always use did in simple past. Then the second sentence is in simple present, like ice
Present.
cream. So what you will use? Do or does. Does for
Do
singular
does.
and do for plural. I and you are exceptions. With I and you always use the plural. So only you have to remember these two things. And you can do everything correctly. All the tense forms you can easily change. So I like ice cream. What is the correct answer?
I don't like ice cream.
I don't like ice cream.
I don't like ice cream.
So with I you are using don't. Like ice cream. And what is the
Do I like ice
Do
cream?
you
do you I
Do I like?
do I like ice cream?
So this is the interrogative. Because it is, then again, they flew paper aeroplanes. Write your answers.
Ma'am, I have sent answer.
Advait Pandey, your answer is correct.
Okay.
Advait's answer is correct. One thing I want to ask, what is the past tense of fly?
Ma'am, mine.
My नाम बताओ.
Ma'am, Dhruv.
हाँ? नाम बताओ तब ना देखेंगे.
Ma'am, Dhruv.
ध्रुव पांडे. No. No, I'm talking of the. I don't. I'm talking of the third one.
क्या? Interrogative. Ma'am, I have answered the third one.
What do I like is not correct. You don't have to use question words. You don't have to use question words. You don't have to. You send your answers for the third. They flew paper. Did they? Some of you are writing the wrong form of the verb. What is the third form of flew? Fly, flew. What is the third form?
मैम आदित्य राज का मैम चेक करिए.
They flew.
मैम आंसर भेज दिए हैं.
ठीक है, ये तो हाँ. Okay.
Ma'am, Shreyashi also.
आदित्य.
Ma'am, Ayush Mara.
You don't have to. You don't have to use the past tense. Flow. Flow क्यों लिखे हो? कोई लोग flow लिखे हैं.
आदित्य.
Okay, the correct answer is they did not fly.
Ma'am, निर्भय का चेक करो.
मैम आदित्य का चेक करिए.
आदित्य का. आदित्य.
Ma'am, निर्भय का.
फ्लो लिखे हो तुम निर्भय. फ्लो नहीं होगा, फ्लाई ही होगा.
मैम मैंने रिसेंड किया मैम, गलती से हो गए थे मैम.
अच्छा.
हम डाउन में देख.
ओ.
मैम आदित्य का.
Dhruv Pandey answer is correct.
Ma'am, Ayush Mara.
Ayush.
Manoj.
मैम आदित्य.
Advait also answer is correct.
मैम आप आंसर लिख दो, सबको पता चल जाएगा मैम.
हाँ, तो आंसर हम लिख देते हैं. ऐसे they did not fly.
Ma'am, did not की जगह didn't लिखा.
That you can write. वो
हाँ हो सकता है.
didn't and did not is same. It is just the contracted form. It is the same. It means the same. You can check your answers. Okay.
मैम करेक्ट है.
You can check.
Paper
This is the negative. This is the interrogative. Then we'll.
Ma'am, you left the question mark.
Okay. Yes. Sorry. Yes. Good for pointing out. Yes. Then. I'll give you the verbs and you have to write the second and third form. You can write it and send it. And then
Okay, ma'am.
I will write and you can check it by yourselves. First we'll do 3. You have to write the V2 and V3. You can write and send it. Aditya Raj, you have left one word. एक letter तुमने
Freeze.
छोड़ा.
Ma'am, froze, frozen. Froze, frozen.
Nishu Nayan, answer is not correct. Nishu Nayan. Aditya Raj, spelling, check your spelling. Okay, now all of you check your answers. I'm writing it. Froze and frozen. All of you can check your answers. Nirbhay answer is correct. Dhruv Pandey answer is correct. Okay, some of you have given the correct answers. You can check it. Froze and frozen. Okay, freeze, froze, frozen. Then yes, Ananya answer is correct, but no, Ananya, your spelling is wrong. Ananya, check your spelling. One letter you have to change.
मैम मी श्रेयसी.
श्रेयसी. रुको देख रहा. I'll write, you check. It's not possible to. Okay. Teach is T-A-U-G-H-T, taught, and T-A-U-G-H-T. Second and third form is the same. There are many verbs for which the second and third form is the same. Then meet. Shreyasi answer is correct. Dhruv Pandey answer is correct. Jia Chauhan answer is correct. No, Jia third form again. You have written meet. Third form is also met. So very easy. You just have to remove one E. Meet, met, met. Some of you have written the wrong spelling. Mat भी लिखे हो कोई. ये Oh, so now the time is over.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
Ayush Mehra answer is correct. कितना बार लिखे हो? Nirbhay also answer is correct. Aditya Raj answer is correct.